Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's been a long time since I've talked about it, but if you want to add in Windows 11 a great feature that enables you to test out software, test out different things without actually having any impact on your main Windows install, well, there's the Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is basically a virtual Windows that opens up in a window, and they call it Sandbox because it's its own little virtual box, which means even if you would get a virus in there, even if you would get something not working right in there, it doesn't impact your main Windows. So Sandbox, I will just here start it on my computer. Windows Sandbox is a great feature that enables you to test out software, test out hardware, test out all sorts of things. You can even go and mess around with the Windows Sandbox Windows install to practice. If you're afraid of making mistakes, making all sorts of errors, well, you've got this Windows that you can mess it up, and every time you shut down the Windows Sandbox by closing it, well, it starts fresh. So it's like every time you open the Windows Sandbox is like having a new install of Windows. So it's a great way to practice, test out your skills, see if you can do some changes. Maybe you would want to do a change in Windows and you're afraid to try it. Well, go into the Windows Sandbox, try it here. If it fails, at least you know it failed and it doesn't mess up anything else. If it works, now you know you can probably do it safely in your main Windows. So how do you have Windows Sandbox installed? First of all, your PC needs to have virtualization capabilities. So your CPU needs to have that. So not too old of a PC. Your motherboard, actually, the BIOS, the UEFI BIOS, you have it, turn it on also. Some PCs have virtualization capabilities, but it's off in the BIOS. And then once all of that is working, well, you do what I just gave you in the tips and tricks. You type optional features, and then you press enter, or you go to the optional features option, and all you have to do is make sure that you put a check mark into Windows Sandbox. Once you put a check mark here, you click the OK button. What's going to happen is that your computer is going to install the required capabilities and download what is missing, if anything is missing, to have the Windows Sandbox working. Once it is, it's a window in a window. So you just do what you want. You go into your settings, you change what you want, you just go and have fun. And like I said, since it's a virtual machine, you know what? There's no problem. You're not going to have any issues in your main Windows, and you'll be able to go and change what you want, play with this different options, and see what happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.